Hello Mosaic artists! I'm so excited for you to do our Mosaic mirror project with us. Once you have picked up your kit, you will be able to access all of the fun things this kit comes with. Each one of your kits looks like this on one side, and then this on the other. And each kit has paints and paintbrushes in all different colors, a set of colorful markers, a small tube of glue, your mirror that we'll use to make your mirror, a bag full of beautiful real glass mosaic pieces of all different colors and shapes and sizes, and then your base for your mirror, which consists of a square that everything is glued onto, and then 4 pieces of wood that look just like this that you will use to attach onto your mirror to make your outline. It also comes with an awesome booklet that has a small mini lesson on mosaics that you can follow along with the video, as well as directions on how to make your mosaic. Now, in the link below this video in the description box is a link to the YouTube video that will have all of the fun history of mosaic videos and parts of the lesson that you can do. And when your mosaic is done, it may look something like this. Now, if yours doesn't look like mine, that is okay, because mosaics are supposed to look different. You can make yours look however you want, and that is why I love art so much. Now, parents, these parts of the mosaics are not super sharp, but they are a little pokey, so be aware when working with your child and remind them to stay safe. I hope you enjoy this project and have a great time becoming mosaic artists.